Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to increase the spacing between items in the Divi Menu Module. The Divi Menu Module is a great way to add a menu to your custom Divi header or other areas of your site, like the footer. Since the menu often plays a key role in your site's design, it's important that it not only looks great, but is also easy to read. Unfortunately, Divi doesn't provide a built-in option to adjust the spacing between menu links in the menu module. However, in this tutorial, we'll show you two simple ways to customize it, by using the Divi Booster plugin or with a bit of custom CSS. Both methods will help you create the exact menu design you're looking for. If you're looking to change the spacing in the standard Divi header menu instead, check out the related post linked in the description. But for now, let's focus on the menu module. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a look at how the Divi Menu Module typically appears. You'll notice that the menu items are quite close together by default, leaving very little space between them. This tight spacing might not always suit your design preferences or enhance readability. Now let's take a look at an example where the menu items have increased spacing. As you can see, the added white space between the links gives the menu a much more open and balanced appearance. By customizing the gap between menu items, you can ensure that the menu spacing aligns perfectly with your design aesthetic and enhances the overall readability. Another approach to adjust the spacing between menu items in the Divi Menu Module is by using the Divi Booster plugin. Divi Booster is a versatile tool that adds a variety of new options and settings to Divi, including one specifically for customizing menu item spacing. With this plugin, you can easily fine-tune the gaps between menu items without needing to write any code. The Divi Booster plugin is a powerful tool that adds hundreds of new features to Divi, including the option to customize menu item spacing that we'll be using in this tutorial. If you haven't already, feel free to grab your copy of Divi Booster. Once purchased, you'll receive the divibooster.zip file, which you can download to your computer. This file will be ready for installation in the next step. If you've already purchased the plugin, you can access the download directly from your Divi Booster account. With Divi Booster, you'll gain access to a wide range of features, making your Divi building experience even more flexible and efficient. Once you've downloaded the Divi Booster plugin zip file, the next step is to install it on your site. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins in the sidebar. Click on Add New, then select the Upload Plugin option. Here, click the Choose File button, find the divibooster.zip file on your computer, and select it. Once the file is chosen, click Install Now. After the plugin has been uploaded, activate it by clicking the Activation button. With that, the Divi Booster plugin will be ready to use, and its features will be automatically integrated into Divi. To start, navigate to the page where you want to make the changes. Once you're there, look for the WordPress admin bar at the top of the page. In the bar, click on the Enable Visual Builder button. This will open the page in the Divi Builder, allowing you to make your edits. Once you've opened your page in the Divi Visual Builder, locate the menu module you want to adjust. If the module isn't already part of your layout, you can add it now. When you find the module, hover over it to reveal the module buttons. If your Divi Builder is set to click mode, you may need to click on the module instead of hovering. Then click the gear icon to open the module's settings. Next, go to the Design tab within the Divi Menu Module's settings. From there, expand the Layout section. Here, you'll see an option called Link Spacing, which is provided by Divi Booster. Simply adjust this setting to set the desired gap size between your menu items. Keep in mind that this feature is available starting from Divi Booster version 3.6.0. Note that while the changes won't be reflected in the Visual Builder preview, they will appear on the front end of your site once applied. Once you've adjusted the settings in your menu module, make sure to save your changes. To do this, simply click the green checkmark button located at the bottom of the module settings. This ensures your adjustments are applied and ready to take effect. Once you've finished making your changes, you'll need to save the entire page. To do this, open the Page Settings toolbar by clicking on the round purple button with 3 dots located at the bottom of the Visual Builder area. Then, simply click the Save button to preserve your updates. Now that everything is set up, head to the front end of your site and take a look at your menu module. You should notice that the spacing has been adjusted to match the value you entered in the link spacing setting provided by Divi Booster. This ensures a polished and intentional design for your menu. If you're comfortable with coding, you can easily adjust the spacing between menu items in the Divi Menu Module by using custom CSS. This method gives you full control over the spacing and allows you to tailor it exactly to your design needs. Let's walk through how this can be achieved. To access Divi's theme options, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. In the sidebar menu, click on Divi, then select the Theme Options submenu item. This will open the Settings area where you can configure Divi's overall behavior. Now, click on the General tab within the Divi Theme Options. This will take you to the main site-wide settings for Divi. Scroll all the way down, and you'll find a box labeled Custom CSS. This box allows you to enter your own custom CSS code, which will be applied alongside the existing CSS provided by Divi. To adjust the spacing in your Divi menu module using custom CSS, start by navigating to the Custom CSS box in the Divi Theme Options. Once there, you can paste a simple CSS snippet to control the padding around each menu item. This CSS specifically adds padding to both the left and right sides of the menu items, effectively increasing the spacing between them. For example, you can set the padding to 30 pixels on each side, which results in a total gap of 60 pixels between the menu items. Adjust these values as needed to achieve your desired look. If you'd prefer to apply this spacing to only specific menu modules, you can use targeted CSS instead. To do this, assign a unique CSS class to the module, such as Menu Module Reduced Padding, under the advanced settings of the module. Then, use an updated CSS snippet that applies only to modules with this class. This method allows for finer control while maintaining a consistent design across your site. Remember to save your changes after adding the CSS. Once you've saved, the adjusted spacing will apply when you view your site live. Once you've added your custom CSS, don't forget to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Save Changes button, which you'll find at either the top or bottom of the Divi Theme Options area. This ensures your adjustments are applied and visible on the front end of your site. Now that you've saved your changes, head to the front end of your site to view the updated menu module. You should see that the spacing between the menu items has been adjusted, reflecting the padding value you set in the custom CSS. This provides a cleaner and more visually appealing layout that aligns with your design preferences. And that's it. We've explored 2 effective ways to increase the spacing between menu items in the Divi menu module, using the Divi Booster plugin and through custom CSS. Both approaches give you the flexibility to create a menu design that fits your style perfectly. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.